A very good morning to you all children. We have learned till J for jug in the last class, the capital cursive J for jug in the last class. Today we will be learning another two capital cursive, that is K for kite and L for lamp. K for kite, kite also comes in different colors, and you can see high up in the sky the kite will be flying. Okay, so now we will learn how to write K for kite. K for kite. How to write K? Now here, from here, first blue line, take a stroke like this, like this, like this. Now again from the top red line you have to write like this, K. Again take a stroke here from the first blue line to the top red line, standing line with a curve. Next like this, like this. This is K. Again I am write a stroke from the top blue line, first blue line to the top red line, a standing line, a curve, then from the top red line a curve like this. This is K. K for kite. K for kite. Next comes L. L for lamp. Now lamp is used to lighten up the room. How to write this L? Now from the first blue line you have to start writing, take a stroke to the top red line, a loop, then a straight line, then a loop like this. This is L. Again I am writing from the first blue line, you have to start like this, take a loop like this, like this. This is L. L for lamp. K for kite, L for lamp. K is like this. K. K for kite. L is how you have to write. Take a loop like this, like this. This is L. L for lamp. Now we will write in our workbook. So children, we have learned how to write K and L on the board. Now we will be writing in our workbook. First of all, write the date. Today's date you write and start writing like this. Stroke, straight line, curve like this. K. K for kite. K for kite. A stroke, straight line and a curve, a stroke, straight line and curve like this, a stroke, straight line and a curve, from the top red line a stroke, again a stroke. Children, trace on the dotted line so that you can write freely. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. I will show you how to write K for kite. If you are tracing on the dotted lines, then you can write with your free hands. K for kite. Now we will write L for lamp. L for lamp. Now from the first blue line, a stroke, then a loop. First blue line to the top red line, make a loop and then extension. Next like this, next like this, like this. Again second line, a loop from the first blue line to the top red line, make a loop, straight line like this, like this. You have to write, trace on the dotted line so that you can write properly, like this. Like this you can write. Now I will show you how to write with your free hands. From the first blue line, take a stroke to the top red line, make a loop, come back like this, like this. First blue line, take a loop, red line, straight line, come to the second blue line, take a loop and a slipping like this, like this. You have to write the full page. Okay. Thank you children. Stay safe. Bye bye.